And you're gonna get like 20 pictures. Watch.
Recording?
No. It's sending a picture.
It's gonna take like 20 pictures.
Yeah, it's not on flash.
Why not? When is it gonna take it?
It'll take it soon. It's not on flash, so it's gonna take.
When? Hey, little camera, you want some candy? I'm serious. I'm worried.
You didn't hear that. You didn't hear anything.
Okay, oh no, it's not recording because the light's not on.
Yeah. The light needs to be on to record.
When is it gonna take the picture?
You already did. It took like 20.
It's on continuous.
Oh. We'll take it.
It takes pictures every 5 seconds.
It is every 20.
I don't know him.
No one knows him.
Wow. This is really scary.
I'm in disguise.
Me holding you're worried.
Everyone's worried.
Let's go to World.
Don't.
I put a P.
World?
Yeah.
Really? I already did. Fucking volleyball.
Oh.
Take picture?
Score round.
No, I'm eating.
Score round.
Man, you're a fat greedy pig.
Want some?
No.
I asked if you want some.
I looked straight farther from like probably figure your ass was
Dude, hey, he tried stopping me yesterday, and I got rid
Well,
of
stop
him.
your recordings and putting on Facebook.
Hey.
Hey, tell me. Hey, tell me about that shit though. Hey, tell me about that shit though. Look, he's recording that.
You're gonna sew my what? You're gonna sew my butt cheeks together? She said it first. She said it first.
They're forcing me to.
Huh? You know the questions already, right? I've seen them practice already.
Oh shit.
Hey, I'm free football.
Powder puff.
We're gonna practice.
Huh?
No, she playing left tackle.
I don't play quarterback.
You're playing left tackle?
Yep.
Left tackle.
I'm just kidding. She's playing D tackle.
I'm a quarterback.
I'm just kidding. She played D end.
She just played football. She don't know.
She's running after the ball.
No, I'm really a quarterback.
Too loud. A lot of you don't even have your papers done and you're sitting here mumbling. Come on.
No, I'm serious. I'm a
She go
quarterback.
play safety.
I'm a quarterback.
Oh, I have to see this. I have to see this.
Don't, can't I throw?
She can throw like 25 yards.
She can be quarterback. She's just lazy.
He's my cheerleader. He's gonna have, yeah, them two are gonna have my initials on their chest. Jumping up and down. Yeah, water balloon. But no, I can play. Michael knows I can play.
Michael got beat it on that.
Are you playing?
Just so I can tackle you, even if you on my team.
That's not right.
That's really not right.
I can't wait. I love powder puff. I
You
can't
gotta
wait.
practice. You don't do that in the game.